Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to repay a Klover cash advance. So repaying a Klover cash advance is a simple process that can be completed online or through the Klover mobile app. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So the first thing you got to do is to log into your Klover account, and once you're logged in, you want to click on cash advance, and then you want to select repay now. Now you're going to enter the repayment amount and select the repayment date, and once that's done, just confirm the repayment information to make sure it's correct. And once that's all settled, just wait for Klover to process the repayment. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to repay a Klover cash advance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.